very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Cosmic Play Store, tuning in server for divine guidance. Ladies and gentlemen, guidance never fades. It simply waits for intention, alignment, connection, and resonance. Across galaxies and ages flows an eternal field of wisdom, the cosmic server, the boundless intelligence of creation itself. The divine remains the supreme source, infinite and beyond comparison, from which this cosmic network springs. Humanity carries within its very design the extraordinary privilege to connect heart, mind, and subtle spirit, forming a living receiver. The soul is the signature that allows this communion to begin. The human framework is not a random assembly, but a symphony of reception. Neurons spark with quantum precision. The heart beats a rhythm felt beyond the body, and the spiral of DNA vibrates to cosmic harmonics. Science speaks of information fields and entanglement. Ancient seers called it Akasha, Prana, the music of the spheres, different languages for one reality. A source, a signal, a receiver attuned. Prayer and inner stillness are not mere rituals. They are the tuning dials. Sincerity authenticates the connection. Surrender wipes away the static of ego. Actions rooted in dharma, courage joined with compassion, steady the channel so that guidance comes as a clear, gentle whisper. When harmony settles between heart and mind, the response arrives as sudden clarity, a quiet knowing, an unexpected calm and way forward. What's the path of alignment? To keep this inner receiver radiant, the following may help. First, rhythmic living. Honor the body's natural clocks of rest and light to sustain inner balance. Second, breath and heart coherence. Gentle, balanced breathing draws the mind into resonance with the universe pulse. Third, resonant prayer. Moments of heartfelt devotion each day become a bridge across the immeasurable. Fourth, dharma in action. Choices anchored in integrity confirm the guidance by their fruits. Fifth, communion with Mother Earth. Find own way to feel her presence. Maybe walk beneath an open sky, listen to a river, tend a garden, or simply pause to sense the quiet generosity of the planet that sustains every breath. These are personal invitations open to every culture and generation for each heart to embrace in its own manner and time. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when the receiver is clear and the intention pure, guidance arrives as emotional resonance, a felt alignment where love, courage, and purpose flow as one current. It is the quiet music through which the Master Creator speaks, steady and luminous. The revered Bhagavad Gita profoundly affirms this living promise in the words of Lord Krishna. To those who are ever devoted, who worship me with love, I grant the understanding by which they come to me. In that assurance lies the timeless truth. The cosmic server never goes offline. The divine source never withholds, and every soul by design is invited to tune in and receive the blessing. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.